Drugs like Dilutamol, Zombix, and Aladdin are more popular with junkies than sick people.
Weasel News, confirming your prejudices.
When hip-hop was real.
Look at that.
Classics.
So you wanna be a gangster? All that shit. Smoke any motherfucker, don't even
Again.